Video guys, I'm gonna show you how to start your own faceless YouTube channel step by step. I'm gonna share with you a new niche that it's easy and simple. You can make up to like 20 or 10 videos per day. Easy and simple. It will take just a few minutes from your time. Okay, I already have faceless YouTube channel as you can see over here, and it's made $768 just in one single day. Maybe this motivates you to start your own faceless YouTube channel, because I will share with you step by step how you can make an easy videos that get million of views. Okay, so let's get started. So let me share. I did some research, guys, and I found this faceless YouTube channel uploading relaxing YouTube videos. As you can see over here, just 91 videos was uploaded, and if we click over here, let me show you how many views this channel is getting per month. As you can see, it's close to 9 million views per month. Okay, if we scroll down, they published just 2 videos. Okay, as you can see over here, in the last 13 days. Okay, so this channel is really making a lot of money. So look at these videos. Those videos are long. They are just relaxing videos, easy videos with background relaxing music. And as you look at this one, for example, about Norway, it's close to 2 million views, and it's still getting views. Those videos are easy to make and simple. So to make like this video, what you need to do is you just need to go to Canva. Okay, so you need to create an account on Canva. It's easy and simple. If you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So what you will do, click over here on video, okay, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on elements. Okay, I'm making this video super easy for you guys, step by step. You just need to follow those steps. Okay, so just click on elements, click on the search over here, search for Norway. Okay, we will make videos about Norway. Let me show you. I will make a video like this one. Okay, easy and simple. Let me show you. Let's go back to Canva, click on Norway, click over here on videos, search for Norway, click on videos. You will find a lot of videos here about Norway. Okay, as you can see. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 point, set the video as background, click on add page. Okay, next page, add different video. I will add this one, 3 points, set the video as background, click on the next page, scroll down and add different video like this. You need to make those videos long because people love to watch long videos. Okay, I will add this one over here like this, 3 points, set the video as background, add page, scroll down. You will find a lot of videos here about Norway. I'm gonna add this one over here. As you can see, it's easy and simple. Swipe left, or you can swipe right or left, click on add page, scroll down. You will find a lot of videos here. So let's scroll down. I'm gonna choose this one over here, 3 points. I'm gonna show you how you can find background music that you can use for free. Click over here again. Let's use this one, the last one. So this is the method that you can use. Okay, so after you finish, make your video long, go to the first page, click between those, swipe left, go to the first page, click over here on add transition and choose which transition you want to add between your videos. Click on this one. I will use just this simple one, make it to just to 0.3. Click on apply between all page. Your transition will be applied between all your page. Okay, so we need now background relaxing music that we will use for free without getting copyright on YouTube. We can use it for free. How you can find free background relaxing music? What you will do, you need to go to YouTube. Okay, go to YouTube, search for this YouTube channel. Okay, this is, you can screen this name if you want. breaking copyright, reality free music, free background music. You can use it for free. Okay, so what you will do is just search for this channel. You can use the background music on this channel for free. So how we can, I'm gonna show you how you can download the background music. So if you click over here, after you come to this channel, click on playlist. Okay, select playlist, scroll down, you can see over here calm, relax. So I'm gonna, for example, choose this one. Click over here on this playlist, view full playlist like this. Okay, you will find those free background music that you can use, reality free music you can use, breaking copyright. Those videos, those background music videos are for free. So how you can use it? So let's say you want to use this one. For me, I want to use this one. Click over here on this 3 points, click on share and copy the link of this video. Okay, what you will do next, you need to go to Google and you need to search for this website. Search for savefrom.net. Okay, save from, search for this website, click, it's for free, you can use it for free. Click over here and put your background music that you want to download over here. Okay, and you just need to wait a few seconds. Let me show you. And here you go, select over here, choose audio. Okay, you need to choose audio. Okay, then click on download. Okay, this background music will be downloaded to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go back to your Canva account. Okay, and click over here on upload, click on upload file, and you should find your background music over here, and you will click on open, and your background music will be downloaded to your laptop. So I already downloaded this background music over here. Click on the background music, your background music will be over here in this video. Okay, so let's check this video now, and here you go, you just made easy and simple faceless YouTube video, relaxing YouTube video about Norway for free just by using Canva. Let's check the video now, and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion. As you can see, guys, I just made faceless relaxing YouTube video just in few minutes. Okay, like this one. So let's go like this one. Okay, it's like this one. I can make it, I can make adding more videos, and I can make it long up to like 5 hours or 10 hours. It's up to you. You can make it long, just make it long because people love watching those videos. Look at this one, for example, it's close to 2 million views just in 3 weeks. So that's how you can make relaxing faceless YouTube videos just by using Canva. I hope this video is helpful for you. After you finish, click over here on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and start your relaxing faceless YouTube channel. Start uploading videos consistently if you want to succeed on YouTube. Easy and simple. It will not take anything from you. You need just to take action and make videos. You can make up to 10 or 20 videos per day because those videos are easy to make. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you found this video is helpful for you, like this video, at least just leave a like, leave a comment so I can share, make I can make more videos like this and show you different faceless YouTube channels and niche you can start without showing your face and without using your voice.